How to convert your Kansei wheels to floating center caps. Remove metal clip. Remove emblem. A bit of heat helps. Carefully lift up edge of cap. We don't want to damage the chrome. Remove adhesive. Now to find the center point. This handy tool provided will help. Place on edge of circumference and mark at 90-degree angles. This cross section will mark the center point. Once center point is found, drill a 18 mm hole. This specific drill bit is available in my store. Once the hole is created, smooth the rear of the cap, like so. Doesn't need to be pretty. Now to glue in the Kansei bearing. You'll have time to adjust to get it spinning central. Now attach emblem to upper plate. 3M or glue you choose. Add some glue to the shaft. Make sure to spread thinly and evenly. Place inside bearing. Now time to attach the counterweight. Simply glue on the end of the shaft. Make sure emblem is sitting correctly first. And here we have the world's first custom floating for Kansei. If you would like a kit or any other of the ones I do, go visit vipfill.com.